Okay, this is Tanner, Barbie's pooping dog, and we'll have Tanner eat. He's being a little stubborn. One doggy biscuit. Two doggy biscuits. And 3 doggy biscuits. Okay, now Tanner will Tanner's not. Oh, there he goes. He pooped. Okay, now this is Tanner being bulimic. Goes back in the other end, which is kind of nasty, but oh well. Oops, he's not working right. There he goes. Okay, now, Tanner, be bulimic. There he goes. Get rid of it all, Tanner. Oh, he